episode of Cooking with Tea. Today, we're going to be making lasagna. I have my mom with me.
Hi.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications when new videos come out. Let's get started. To make lasagna, you'll need, we are using non-boil,
No bake
noodles. You're going to need a pan, 2 spoons, marinara sauce, or do whatever you call it, some pan spray, some ricotta cheese, and mozzarella. And now I'm going to go heat the oven.
We're going to preheat it to what?
400?
Correct.
Okay, so condenser milk?
Just bake.
I'm going to start.
Let's start.
Now, how long are we going to let that heat up?
So it's preheating, so it'll beep when it reaches 400 degrees.
Now I'm going to spread my pan. The reason it is important is because if you put your noodle on there, like this, and let it bake, it's going to stick and you can't pull it off. So you're going to need to spray your pan. Let's do it. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting my noodles on. I'm going to put one right here. I have never made lasagna before. I'd say I've eaten it a few times. It is good. Okay. Just lay them out like so. Does not have to be perfect. If this is your first time cooking along with me, or if this is your first time cooking at all, like if you're a kid watching this, then I know it's a little hard. I'm actually going to use this. It looks a lot easier. My mom suggested it to me. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Like, do I spread on everything?
Yeah, just spread it out.
I'm trying.
You're doing a good job. Get some more. Go ahead and get some more.
Oh, shoot.
Go ahead and get some more.
Okay. And also, make sure to subscribe again, because once we have 100 subscribers, I am going to be doing something super special. So, my ricotta is done. Now, we're going to be doing the cheese.
What kind
my
of cheese?
hands are clean. This is mozzarella. You do not have to, oh my gosh. You do not have to use mozzarella. This is just the kind of cheese that I personally like. So if you like cheddar, why don't you put some cheddar on? Like, you don't have to follow exactly with, because this is about you, it's not about me.
So we've got the noodles and the cheese. What's up next?
Sauce on. I'm just gonna put dollops over here and then I'm gonna spread it. Because my dad makes pizza and that's usually what he does. He likes to put a dollop, another dollop.
You want to use a lot of sauce.
Yes, because we're making a big lasagna. Monster lasagna. I feel like Guy Fieri said.
You want to coat the whole layer with sauce. Just mix all together, and I may pour some sauce on.
I'm pouring some sauce on, and now I'm spreading it. You're going to need a lot of sauce if you're making a big one, but if you're just making a small size lasagna in a small size pan, then you don't need as much as we used. But still,
You want to push around gently with the spoon.
if you really like sauce, you can say in your head, the saucier the better. But I'm not a big sauce fan, so I did my noodles, cheese, and sauce. Now I'm going to do the layers again until it gets to the very, very top. So we have our ricotta on again. And the wet, I'm going gonna put my mozzarella on, but the idea that got me to make lasagna, oh my god, I'm messy, is I recently spent a weekend in the Poconos at a camp, and I had lasagna for dinner one night there, and that's the idea that gave me, maybe I should make lasagna on my channel. Another layer, and the lasagna is finished, and the oven is actually at 400 degrees, so we're gonna go put it in. Before you put it in the oven, make sure to foil it, put foil on top, or else it could burn. And make sure to bake it 35 minutes covered and 5 to 10 minutes uncovered. So now that my lasagna is done, it is like the cheesiest lasagna I've ever seen in my life. Probably the coolest lasagna also. Anyway, make sure to let it sit out for like 5-10 minutes so it can cool off, because mine is very hot. One bite into this thing right now, your teeth will burn, your tongue will burn, your lips will burn. I'm taste testing. Let's see how it tastes. I am so nervous. I've like never had ricotta. Ooh, that's hot. That is good. So, if you follow along with this recipe, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see you next time on Cooking with Tia.